Hi guys, and today I'm going to be showing you all a really easy cheat meal that you can do. If it is you're having a cheat day or you just want to have some junk food, you go and you buy your tenders, your fried chicken, or you could do your fried chicken for yourself, and then with some other ingredients at home to make a salad, you can make a really yummy meal. So if you want to see how it is I do that, just keep on watching.
もしもし
So to start off, you're going to need to cut up some fresh pineapples. This is just me because I love pineapples and everything. I'm going to also be cutting up some green salad. You could use your salad of choice. You could use arugula, any salad you want. Once it says I cut up my salad, I make sure I go in and spin that and get rid of the excess water. I do not want any soggy salad, and I do not want the excess liquid making the meat or the crust on the meat soggy. So I find this step super important. Then I'm going to use avocado. I just cut it in half, remove the seeds, and then I remove the skin. If it is you do not like to eat avocado, or you maybe can't, because some people are allergic, you can use black beans, squished black beans, or squished red beans are a great option as well. And if you're not a big fan of beans either, you could also go in for some blue cheese. So this is a blue cheese option I'm showing you all. I think in the end I didn't add it in directly. It was an option that could have been added to everybody else's taste because I'm not eating this salad by myself. I can, maybe, if, mukbang style, didn't eat for the day, but that wasn't the case that day. And I am adding more pineapples. As I said earlier, this is my thing. I overload on pineapples like a crazy person. Pineapples in the hamburger, pineapples in my salad, pineapples on everything. Please. Yeah, too much info. So for the salad, you can use whatever salad dressing that you wish to use. I personally use olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, and I put in my peppers and salts. I use cayenne pepper this time, and I use 3 parts olive oil and 1 part balsamic vinegar, or maybe 1 part apple cider vinegar. It depends on which one I choose. And once I mix that up into the avocado and the salad leaves, I just put it out on my plate, and I proceed to either add my cheese or my beans. But in this case, I just went straight for my fried chicken, which it is I was feeling like eating that day. And yeah, you all see how simple it is. It really doesn't take long to do. And if you go and buy fried chicken outside, you have no work except to make the salad. And yeah, I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye.